If you want to get this light for free, this is Mito Pro 300, excellent light therapy panel, very good for doing face anti-aging therapy or also spot treatment for your muscles and joints. It comes with 4 wavelengths and a table stand included for free. So if you want to get it for free, all you need to do is just to register with Mito, go to their website, register your name and email for a chance to win this light. They do draws every month, so if you are lucky, you can get this light for free. And if you don't have luck this month, remember, you can get this light cheaper using my name as a coupon code, test it for 2 months, use it for 60 days, check if it works for you as you expected, and if yes, that's great. Keep it and use it for many years of enjoyable red light therapy at home. And if it doesn't work for you, because nothing works for everyone, then you can return the light and perhaps go for something bigger or smaller. I think it's very good to have this choice. So if you want to test how much good luck you have this month, please register with Mito and have a chance of winning this excellent therapy light panel. For more information about this panel, check the link in the video description below. This video is not sponsored by anyone, but I'm affiliated with Mito, therefore I can offer you a discount code so you can get this light or other their panels much cheaper. I think it's a win-win for everyone. Thanks very much for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!